How to send a Zoom invite via Google Calendar. So first, go to your Google Chrome and then just click on the three dots here at the top right corner, and then just click on or hover your mouse over extensions and then just click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Next is we're going to search for the Zoom Chrome extension. This one, click on this one. Next is just click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. Okay, now after that, go to your Google Calendar, and of course we need to refresh this first since we just added a new extension. So after that, let's just create an event, and then I'll just type in, or I'll just name this as event 10 or event 100, whatever you want. And then you just need to fill in all of the details here that you need. And then to invite guests, so of course we need to add guests here. So for example, I'll just type in jacob@gmail.com. So just type in all of the email addresses of your guests here. And then, so let's say you've done all of the details, right? So just click on make it a Zoom meeting. And of course, we just need to sign into Zoom. Then after that, click on make it a Zoom meeting again. Then after that, just click on send. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.